Have you ever pondered upon the day of resurrection? The day when our souls face their reckoning and every action, every choice, holds the weight of eternity. Picture the human soul, reproaching itself, filled with regret. The soul that once asked, "When is the day of resurrection?" would then be faced with the undeniable truth of its existence. A reality where vision is dazzled, the moon darkens, and the sun and the moon are joined. It's a scene that sparks the desperate question, where is the place of escape? But alas, there is no refuge. On that day, permanence belongs to your Lord. It's a day when man will be informed of what he sent ahead and what he kept back. Excuses will be of no avail, for every soul will bear witness against itself. It's important to remember that it's not our place to hasten the events. Our task is to understand, to follow the recitation, and to seek clarification. Yet it's a common tendency of mankind to crave the immediate, neglecting the hereafter. On the day of resurrection, some faces will radiate with joy, looking at their Lord, while others contorted in dread, anticipating a back-breaking calamity. Imagine the soul when it has reached the collarbones, and the question echoes, who will cure him? The certainty of separation dawns, the legs wound about, and the procession towards your Lord begins. There are those who didn't believe, didn't pray, denied the truth, and turned away. They returned to their people with pride, but woe to them, for they'll face the consequences. It's mind-boggling to think, does man truly believe he will be left neglected? Was he not once a sperm from semen emitted? Then a clinging clot, which was then created and proportioned into two mates, the male and the female. So if the Creator could give life once, is he not able to give life to the dead? It's a question that echoes through the ages, a question that demands contemplation and introspection. In the end, it's the belief in the day of resurrection that shapes our actions, guides our choices, and gives meaning to our existence. It's a belief that encourages us to strive for goodness, to seek knowledge and understanding, and to value the hereafter over the immediate. It's a belief that serves as a compass, guiding us through the journey of life towards our ultimate destination.